2012 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, tow hitch, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering. Your new ride is just a phone call away.